Good morning, good morning. Hello, hello, hello. How is everyone this Wednesday morning? I'm a little bit croaky. I'm Lisa. I'm the singing Scentsy lady, hopefully without a croak later on. I am one half of Elegant Essences, which I run with my absolutely gorgeous daughter, Sapphire. So, I was sat here in the office a few minutes ago, working away, having a lovely morning, and I suddenly on my phone got a notification saying DPD are just round the corner. So I flew from the office through the house to unlock the door because I thought, oh my goodness, they won't leave it because the porch wasn't even unlocked then. And just as I got there and unlocked the door, they arrived with a big box. Now I have just opened the top just to check that it is what I thought it was. And it is. So I ordered this 7 o'clock Monday night. Well, by the time the website went live, it was around about 20 past 7. So I ordered it at 20 past 7 Monday night. And it is here. Well, it arrived about half an hour ago. Oh, got something in my eye. Sorry about that. Arrived about half an hour ago. And I'm so excited because now I went live. Oh, morning, Andy. How are you? That's exciting. I went live the other day all about the Monsters Inc. Buddies because I'd already got those. But, ooh, what have we got in here? Let's open it up and have a little look. What's in the box? What's in the box? Lots of paper to start with. What's in the box? In the box today. I need to stand up and get it out the box because, oh my word. So let me get everything out and then I can unbox with you. Let's see. There we go. That's everything that's in the box. Right, put that out the way. Oh my goodness. So excited to share this with you. So you know how much I love Monsters Inc. I've been talking about it for ages because I used to watch Monsters Inc. when my kids were little, and now I watch it with the grandchildren. So for this to be coming out has made me very happy. So look, Disney and Pixar Monsters Inc. Let's have a look at what it looks like. So I'll open the box. Oh, look. It's the door. It's Boo's door. Oh, I love how they always even make the boxes exciting. Right, let's dive in. We've got instructions there. We have got, now this is the wax dish. Now let me get it out the little bag. And can you see, I don't know if you can see that very well. It's got the Monsters Inc. logo even on the dish. How super cute is that? Now, let's see. Just throwing everything with abandon on the floor. Oh, got the bulb. I will plug it in and show you. So let's unpackage it. Oh my word. I mean, look at the detail on this. How gorgeous. So super cute. If I turn it all the way around. We've got Boo in her little suit on. I love the little lamp. Look at that. Wow. Right. I am going to pop this down on here. So let me tell you, it's £103 for this warmer. These are licensed things, so we have to pay Disney, obviously, to be able to produce these. So hence the price tag. But I also have to say it is absolutely worth it because this is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. So I've just unwrapped that. Now I am going to, where's the bulb? Now ordinarily I wouldn't touch the bulb with my fingers. I would normally just pop it in using a cloth, but I haven't got anything ready. So I am going to use my fingers just to pop it into the warmer. Let's get the bulb out. Packaged beautifully. So I will wipe it after I've done the live. Just because I need to show you. Now there is an insert in here. There's like a sparkly insert that stays because that's going to shine and glow through the warmer. Now, I mentioned earlier on in the year that we now have on-off switches on the cord. So it used to be that the on-off switch would be on the warmer, but it's now on the cord. So that makes life so much easier. So let's pop the dish in the top as well. Then we are going to plug in and see what it looks like. There we go. And using the on-off switch on the cord. Oh, there we go. You can see the light came on, even though you can't see the warmer yet. Oh, I just love it. I absolutely love it. Look at Sulley. He's so gorgeous. I have to be honest. Shh, don't tell Mike. He is my favourite. I love that picture. And if I turn it round this way, can you see can you see the light? They've made it so that the light looks like it's on. The detail is just flipping incredible. So I just love it. Little flowers on the door. He is so amazing, isn't he? Look at that. So this is the brand new, as I say, it was literally released Monday night, and I've got it this early on a Wednesday morning. How super amazing is that? And if I can tilt it, oh, I don't think you can't see. Oh, there you go. You can just see the Monsters Inc. bit in the dish. Right. But that's not all that was in my box. So I'm going to turn that off. There we go. Because I also got, now what I should have done was got a mini warmer base ready, shouldn't I? If I was not as excited as this, I'd have got this all prepared earlier. So I've got the mini warmer base, which is a normal base, nothing different about that. So I'll quickly, I was just looking to see if I'd got one, but I haven't. Well, I have, but just not to hand. I'm hoping my screwdriver's there. It is. So we'll quickly pop the base together. So you get your base like that. You then get your bulb. Again, ordinarily, I would do it with a cloth, but I am just going to pop it in for now, like that. So that's my base ready. I do need to unplug Sulley. Ooh, there we go. And now we have Mike. Oh, this. I've seen pictures of this. It is so flipping gorgeous. Let's open it up and have a look. Now, you get washers in there just to keep your warmer nice and secure. Now, you can have this as the plug-in, which is what I've got here, or you can also have it as a tabletop base. If you have it as the normal plug-in, like I'm showing you, then it's £36. If you have it as a tabletop base, it's £48. So let's just see if I can get the washers out. And we will pop a washer on quickly. Oh, actually, it's too fiddly. I'll do that later when I actually plug it in. I just want to show you what it looks like. So there it goes. You'd have a washer on and you would screw that screw in to keep it absolutely secure. Oh, my word. I mean, that is just so super cute. Look at that. Look at that. Let me plug it in. I'm so excited. I've now got the full collection. There we go. Now, it's hard to tell. There is a tiny bit of light, but what you have got at the back, you've got some little holes, so they will shine. I don't know if you can see on my hand. Oh, going the wrong way. Can you see? Just about. You can just about see on my finger that it's shining light out the back. So that's how it will light up. And then that the bulb warms up the dish, and that's how your wax will melt. So there we go. There is Mike. Look at that. I'm going to turn him back off just because I've got to plug Sulley back in quickly so I can show you them both together. Let's try and pop Mike down. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Just for safety's sake, as I haven't attached it properly, I'm going to take that off. I'm going to plug this one back in just because it is just absolutely flipping adorable. I've got to work out where it's going, because I need to put it with Mike and Sulley. There they are, up there. There we go, turned it back on. And there we have it. Whoa. The 2 new warmers. Ah, how gorgeous. So excited. So excited. So if you are interested in getting these, I will pop a link in the comments all about how you can get them. If you are local to me, let me turn that light off for a minute. If you are local to me, I can of course order it for you and deliver it. If you're further away, it's easier for you to just order direct on our website. It will be delivered directly from our warehouse straight to you, and then you will get a little thank you through the post from us. And I should mention that I did also get a new scent pack. That's to go in the buddies. And I have already got the wax, because those of you who watched my live the other week or the other day will know that I love this so much. It's actually on my Scentsy Club from last time it came out. So it's really, really fruity. You have got... It's so good. You've got mandarins, pineapples. Oh, it is amazing. Such a beautiful, beautiful fruity fragrance. So there's this available again, as well as are the buddies. They have returned. So there we have it. There we have it. A very, very quick live, just because I'm so incredibly excited about our brand new warmer. Let me turn it back on just to say goodbye. So, oh, look, I love that light. I love how the light just is on. Right, I'm going because I actually have to go to work. So I will see you all soon. Take care. Loads of love and thank you for watching. Do make sure you like it and share this.